If you want to execute documents, say agreements, affidavits, contracts and so on, I'm sure you know you would require non-judicial stamp papers. These stamp papers, when generated electronically, that is online, are e-stamp papers. Hello and welcome. Today, let's talk about e-stamp papers. Let's say you want to prepare a document, say a rental agreement. You would require a stamp paper. For this, all you need to do is to find an e-stamp paper vendor who would generate this e-stamp paper. For this, the vendor would charge a nominal fee. Let's say in Bangalore you want to buy a stamp paper for 100 rupees. These vendors charge anywhere between 110 and 120 rupees. Let's say you have got one such stamp paper, but you're not sure if the vendor is actually authorized to generate this e-stamp paper. Or let's say you have a document on a stamp paper and you want to check if this stamp paper is real or fake. Then how can you do this? Actually, there is a simple solution using which you can check if any e-stamp paper is real or fake. You can do this online and the process is very simple. For this, you need to first navigate to the website of Stock Holding Corporation of India. The link is in the description. Click Verify e-stamp certificate. Select state. You can get this information from the stamp paper. Here I have selected Karnataka. In the certificate number field, enter the stamp paper number. You can get this information from the stamp paper itself. Select the stamp duty type. Here I have selected lease of immovable property. Enter the date when this stamp paper is generated. Enter CAPTCHA and click verify. Alternatively, you can scan the barcode on the stamp paper, enter CAPTCHA and click verify. If the stamp paper is genuine, then you would be navigated to this screen where you can find more details about this stamp paper. That is, who has purchased this stamp paper. In case of rental agreement, it is usually the property owner who purchases the stamp paper. Then first party would be the property owner. Second party is the tenant. Stamp duty is paid by the property owner here, and stamp duty amount is the stamp paper value, which is 100 rupees here. If you observe carefully, you have got some additional information here, that is how many days back is this stamp paper generated and what is the status of the stamp paper. Here the status is not locked. Once you register this document, say in the office of the sub-registrar, the status would be changed to locked. Alternatively, you can verify authenticity of any e-stamp papers using mobile phone app. The app is available on both Android and iOS platforms and the process is very similar. If you would like to check it out, the link is in the description. Now you know what to do if you want to check any e-stamp paper is real or fake. This is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching.